In this video, we'll be going over how to search customer data by invoice date. This type of search is good for multiple things such as Christmas cards and thank you letters. So to begin, we'll go into the Customers module, and then we will click the Search Customer Data. From the Customer Search Profile list, we'll click New, and then give our new search a title. From here, we'll choose the Invoices tab, and then choose our date range. In this example, I will be using 18 months. Next, we'll go into the Output tab and choose our output type from the drop-down. For this type of report, you want to use Output File. Next, we need to decide whether we want to search for customers that have the Do Not Contact via email or Do Not Contact via mail checkboxes selected in their customer information. Then we need to choose our output file name and save location. To do that, you will see a gray folder to the right of the box underneath Output File Name. If you click this box, it will allow you to choose your save location and give it a file name. The easiest save location would be the desktop. Then you would hit the Open button. Next, we'll go into the Options tab and choose one per customer. Then we'll go into the Fields tab and choose the fields that we would like to display on this report. In this case, we are going to use full name, Street 1 and Street 2, city, state, and zip postal code. Next, we want to save the report so that we have the report to use at a later time. To edit this report, you can click on it and hit Edit, and then you can edit any of the fields that we have went through in this video. Next, you want to run the report. When this is done running, it will save the new search in the location that you had designated in the Output tab. Once that is done running, all you need to do is go to your save location, in this case the desktop, and open the file to verify that the information that you want is in that file. Here's the search that we just created. So if you open this search, you'll see all the data that you wanted is in this file. This file can also be attached and emailed out through the Attach File in your email options. Thank you.